Hello everyone! Welcome to Sosa's Kids Kitchen World. Today I'm making a room tour. This is my new house and I'm going to show you guys my new house. Let's get started. Come with me. Okay, this is my sitting room. This is my disco lamp. And here we put all the wine glass or different glasses. This is my kitchen. And this is my dining table. Here's my toilet. And here is a beautiful place is the guest room. Come, let's go upstairs. Okay, we're going up the stairs. Here is my Sissy's room. Here is the children's sitting room. This way! Here is my brother's room. Come, go to my room. This is my room. Going to show you guys my mom's room. Okay, this is my mom's room. I'm going to show you guys my office. And here's our office, my printer, and our laptop. I'm going to show you guys my toilet upstairs. This is the toilet. Here is the bed. Here's the toilet, and here are the... Okay. Thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Comment down below if you guys like my house and do you want to see more of my life. Bye guys!